That's like lightning every like half second.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, man.
Open your window, Cease, and take the picture.
I'm taking a video. Whoa. That was right. Burner. I don't know how to whistle, but yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Whoa.
It shows the way better. Whoa! Almost getting better videos. Mama, just send me yours.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Send me yours too. But, Cece, can I get to your side? Please? Somehow I can see.
Oh, turn your lights off.
Sorry, car coming.
Oh.
I know.
Holy
That was a good
cow.
one.
Is that a cloud?
Yeah, anything black. Fireflies are going crazy. Look at them.
Oh, they're sparkling like glitter.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Listen, you're the one with the window. What do you expect? Your mom sent me a video.
Well, what?
You guys want to go to Lutz's
Whoa.
Park?
I don't care. Hold on, let me just try to. I want to try to.
Here, look at the fireflies.